All right, guys and gals, we're back testing this site. I think it's fixed now. We're testing that gear right there at the bottom, that skinny, small little panel there amongst the trees there at the bottom. All right, so what we'll do is, now that we're finally connected after having a ton of problems, we are connected to the ultra wideband. It is there in the upper right-hand corner. I'll run some fast.coms and some Ookla speed tests for you guys so you can see how this brand new Verizon N77 site is working. We'll check out its performance. We'll see if it's doing any good. It is literally just brand new. I didn't even see the upgrade. I didn't see the gear get put up. I didn't see any of the process. I drove by, I connected to it from about 1.5 miles, and here we are. Tracked it down, and now I'm testing it. So the technicians probably put it all up pretty quick, and then it was up pretty quick because when I first noticed it wasn't on. That came back the next day and it was on. Okay, so we're about 6 o'clock in the evening here. Got a little bit of traffic on this site for sure. 400 megs down, got like 59 up. 37 millisecond ping, 6 millisecond jitter. Not bad. Let's go ahead and run another one, and then we're gonna hit it with the fast.com and see how it performs. Now, my personal opinion, those latencies are much too high for a 5G NR connection. I'd like to see that get sorted out. We've got Samsung gear here. Hopefully there's some software vendor fixes coming. 38 millisecond ping, 4.2 millisecond jitter. Looks like we just cracked the 400 megabit per second barrier. We're at 403. And we're approaching about 60 megs on the uplink. And it looks like tower upgrades for fiber are happening. I just spoke to a guy from Altec, company that installs fiber, does the upgrades to the tower sites. And he says they're doing all of the sites in the Cleveland area. So we're probably going to be seeing improvements to the speed due to fiber backhaul upgrades, and that'll be a welcomed addition to the upgrades. All right, so let's go ahead, and now that we've tested this on Ookla, let's head over to the fast.com and see what we're scoring here. You will see that we got the 5G ultra wideband, and you will see no speed throttling on the N77 connection. And just so you guys know, there's no mmWave here. I'm at Progress Business Park in Strongsville, Ohio. This is, what is the closest major street here? I think maybe Pearl Road or something like that. All right, so we got 490 on the downlink. Looks like a 39 millisecond ping. Uplink looks the same as the Ookla, right about 57 megabits per second. All right, so there you guys have it. Brand new site, upgrade just happened. They're working fast, guys and gals. They're doing these top 46 PEAs, like here in Cleveland, very, very quickly. Quick shout out to the JMA gear up there from Dish. You'll see it. It's the third from the top, or the third from the bottom, however you want to look at it. It's right there. That's as far as I can zoom in, actually, on this iPhone. Wish I had my Pixel. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and you want more like it, let me know by liking this video, sharing it, subscribing for more, and turn on the bell notifications to never miss an upload. Check out some of the links in my description box of this video, the Twitter handle, the email, and my Patreon page. Support us, get early access to content exclusives not found anywhere else, and discounts and promos on Altice Mobile. They're running great specials right now on Magenta MAX lines. Huge deals there. So check it out over on their Discord server, Altice Mobile on Discord. Take advantage of those deals. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.